Welcome to Carmen Elementary, a TA A-rated campus and home of the mighty Golden Bears. I am Principal Gisela Salinas Ramirez, and I am excited to invite you to join our PSJ family here at Carmen Elementary. Come see why PSJ ISD is the best fit for your family.
Hi, my name is Sebastian Lozano. I'm a student here at Carmen Elementary. Come with me as I show you some of the things that Carmen Elementary has to offer. One of the great things about Carmen are the opportunities we have to explore our talents and pursue our passion through different extracurricular activities, such as choir, dance, cheer, color guard, folklorico, drumline, robotics, and our Golden Bear newscast. That's what makes us Carmen Strong. Our mission here at Carmen is to challenge our students and cultivate lifelong learners, beginning with our Pre-K3 all-day program, where our little Golden Bears develop social and emotional skills, build a positive association with learning, and develop pre-literacy skills. Our highly qualified teachers provide us with innovative lessons and engaging activities that challenge us to collaborate effectively, build technology-based skills, engage in higher-level thinking to solve complex problems, and develop our creativity. Here at Carmen, we value the importance of education as it is instilled in us at an early age as we develop into lifelong learners and transition to middle school, high school, and eventually college. Come be a part of our Carmen family.